Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch LG LED TV. See friends, in this TV the complaint is picture freezing problem. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals. Here this TV comes with a LG HD ready display. See friends, this is the Tcon board. Here to solve this picture freezing problem we are going to implement the Levelshifter IC modifications method. Here the reason for this fault because of shorting in Vgh odd and Vgh even test points. In both these test points the Vgh and vgl voltages will appear simultaneously as a pulsing voltage. If Vgh voltage in Vgh odd test point, then vgl will be in Vgh even, like that. If Vgh voltage in Vgh even, then vgl will be in Vgh odd. Now we are going to cut down these tracks from the Tcon board to prevent voltages entering from this test point. See friends, now we are going to bypass the Vgh voltage to Vgh odd and check the display is okay or not. If the picture is not correct, do it in opposite side. See friends, here after bypassing Vgh voltage to Vgh odd track, now picture comes with clear display, having no picture freezing issues. Now TV is repaired successfully, so that's it. Always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work. UCNG this method, it completely depends on user luck basis. So hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.